Rating proposals.
Okay. First one.
10. Plus.
Seriously?
This view is so perfect, so beautiful.
Yeah, I mean 8 on 10 if she loves nature, mountains. Then
It is a combination of snow, greenery,
everything, yeah.
and the peace which you have in your surrounding.
Yeah, 8 on 10. If he has planned all the way and took you there, then
Then why
it's
you
plus
can't do?
1. Then plus 1 for that. Then 9. Okay, next.
This is nice.
Like efforts दिख रहे हैं, decoration किया है, candles लगाए हैं, everything.
Efforts.
But I think this is indoors, that's why थोड़ा
Yeah.
कम. So for me, 7 out of 10 maybe.
Okay.
Otherwise, if she'll want that intimate thing like अकेले थोड़ा, then it's fine. But for me, 7 on 10. That also I'm giving extra. But yeah. For you?
But for me, it's 8 or 9. It is looking pretty. This is
Yeah.
nice view.
Okay. Next. Okay. This is cute. This is like schoolmates who don't have so much of money. Really cute proposal. She's so happy. So because of that, 8.5 on 10.
Oh my god,
But
8.5 on 10.
Yes, because efforts hai.
Matters.
Yes. The location is also nice. It's nice.
For me, it's 8 out of 10.
Okay. Oh.
What is
9.5 out of 10 because of the place.
Because of the view which we are getting in the.
She is actually shocked.
But what the positioning she is holding the candle.
She'll just leave it and grab the ring now. Yeah, but this is nice. The place is a vibe.
Very beautiful. It is like a dream.
Yeah, kind of. If he planned all the way out to that place and took her along and then proposed at that
in
particular
between that.
moment, then plus points for that. But yeah, this is really nice.
9.5 for me
Yeah,
also.
if the crowd doesn't affect your proposal thing, then yeah, go for it. Oh,
Okay.
you can never go wrong with Paris.
But for me now, I'm like, I want something different. Now Paris in front of Eiffel Tower proposal is very common now.
It is common, but
But it's
Paris
nice,
is
yeah.
yeah. So 8
Yeah, same.
because boat में कुछ इतना ज़्यादा efforts से दिख रहे
बस
हैं.
पीछे Eiffel Tower
Yeah,
ही है.
exactly.
7
For
for me.
efforts, हाँ 8 ज़्यादा ही दे दिया, but ठीक है. Because of Paris, I give that extra.
Oh.
11 on 10. First of all, to get to that place and get that perfect
Not like
moment. 11 on 10.
बस outfits का थोड़ा सा.
तो outfit हमारी इतनी ठंड है भी जाने क्या पहनना है. But if you want the outfit to be perfect, then you cannot go there and propose.
Yeah.
Yes.
But
वहाँ पे ठंड
The view and everything is so surreal,
Surreal.
man.
Okay.
Okay, this is very unexpected, cute,
हाँ.
and
But for me, efforts नहीं दिख रहे हैं. Normal beach है, beach पे गए propose कर दिया. कुछ decoration, कुछ flowers, कुछ तो होता, but
it is nice, cute.
हाँ, she is happy. If she is a beach girly and she loves beaches, then
And
you
if
can
you
go ahead
propose
with
there,
this.
then go.
Yes.
You didn't rate it that.
I rated it.
No, I also.
7 on 10 because she is happy, he is happy proposing. Maybe they wanted it low key, so no fancy things. So yeah,
8
7.
on 10.
Okay. Oh,
This is
everything
nice,
is looking glamorous,
but
isn't that much. So for me, 5 on 10.
same for
Nothing.
me. Not
Just she's wearing very shiny dress and only the crackers are there. What else is
Firecrackers
there?
are
Just the
there.
balcony. No efforts. But to get that
it is
perfect
not
shot.
like. It is not looking very
Ah,
good.
like, oh, I want that
and,
proposal. No. 5 also is too much. 4. 4 on 10.
2.
Oh, 10 on. Sorry. 9.98.
Oh, 9.
Because of this place,
8.
the yacht, that perfect moment to get that Positano like place. He planned the trip took her there, took her to the yacht, had that perfect outfits, whatever. 9.98 for me.
9.5.
Okay. Oh,
Oh,
Cute.
this is looking very nice.
cute, simple. 9 on 10.
Private.
Yeah, 9 on 10. Especially that heritage thing, building or wo candles. If it is Indian, then it has to be in all that Indian
Outfit and all.
Then it will look
That-
much
then it
better.
will
Then it
be,
will
oh
be
my
11 on
God.
10. So
For me,
pretty.
it's 9.5.
Okay, next. Marin.
No. Minus. Minus.
Again, no proposal is minus, so 1 on 10. Because क्या है भाई, पेस्ट्री में ऐसे ही दे दूं भाई, तू खा ले. मैं रिंग पकड़ाऊं, बोलूं ये आइडिया ऐसे जा प्रपोज करके आ. No efforts. Marry me,
Very
plate में.
basic. At least go on knees and give the ring. At least that
वो भी
much.
शेफ ने करके दिया रिंग प्लेट में सजा के यार. What is this? No.
No.
Oh.
No.
Disneyland. Okay.
For a
Points
girl who is a
Fan
Disney
of
fan,
Disneyland.
then
It's
it's very
fine.
perfect.
But the crowd is too much, so it might spoil your moment. So be careful about that. So 5 on 10.
You won't get the perfect pictures.
Pictures and all is fine, but because of the noise, crowd, you might
You won't
get your
that-
moment
huh.
spoiled. So keep that in mind if you're looking for such proposing at such places. So 5 on 10.
6 on 10.
Hmm.
Okay.
For right now, 10 on 10.
Next
10 on
level.
10.
Nice report.
10, 10, 10.
9
Love
for
it.
me.
Again, 10
Ooh,
in disguise.
this is
If
10
she,
plus.
if she
10
says
plus.
no, I'll throw her out of this balloon. Either you throw, either I throw, if you propose. So 10 on 10 for everything.
This is perfect.
There should be more balloons. So Cappadocia, that plays something, I don't know exact name, but huh. Oh, really cute. But if I gave point to this, it will be all because of the cat. 10 on 10, I cannot say to you no.
This is very cute for a pet lover,
Yeah.
but
But
I'm
efforts.
so sorry.
If we count efforts, then no 10 on 10. Then 3 on 10.
3,
But
4.
10 on 10 for the cat. She's
She's so
really cute. Okay.
Oh.
Will you marry me on car dicky? Okay,
With
because
a
of
Dior.
yes, because of Dior, I'm giving it 6. Otherwise below 5. Because real flowers rakhe, efforts and all fine, but take her somewhere else. Take her to a place at least nearby, maybe restaurant. But if she likes Loki, then fine. But she's getting a Dior, so 6.75.
6.75. 6 for me.
Okay.
Like
Because of
birthday
Dior.
celebration
Haan, it's
like
fine.
this is okay, but
Proposal is a big thing.
no.
So that is it for the video, guys.
Share your comments.
Rate in the comments and tell us your favorite proposal.